In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Brave rewards and customize your ad frequency in the Brave browser. By the end, you'll have Brave's privacy-first ads turned on and tuned to the number of notifications that feel right for you. First, open the Brave browser on your device. If you haven't used Brave in a while, give it a moment to load your homepage or a new tab. Everything we're doing today happens inside the browser itself, so there's nothing extra to install. Next, look to the address bar at the top and click the purple triangle icon. That's the Rewards button. This is your quick doorway into Brave Rewards, where you control privacy-friendly ads and related settings. If you're brand new to Rewards, you'll see a prompt that says, "Start using Rewards." Click that, and when asked, choose your region. Picking the correct region helps Brave show you the right kinds of offers for where you live and ensures the program features available in your area are set up properly. Now, to see all the options in one place, type Brave/Rewards into the address bar and press Enter. This opens the dedicated Rewards settings page, which is where you can fine-tune your experience at any time. It's a great page to bookmark if you think you'll want to revisit your preferences later. On this page, find the section labeled Notification Ads. Here you'll see a slider that controls how many ads you can receive per hour. Move the slider to a number that matches your preference. Many people start somewhere between 5 and 10 per hour and adjust based on how often they want to be interrupted. Remember, this is a maximum, not a guarantee. Brave only shows ads when relevant opportunities are available and they appear as system notifications, not disruptive pop-ups on websites. Before you leave this page, make sure Brave private ads are turned on. This switch is essential. With it enabled, Brave can show you privacy-preserving ads based on local on-device signals, without sending your browsing history to external servers. If it's off, you won't receive any ads regardless of your frequency setting. That's it. You launched Brave, opened the Rewards panel, started Rewards with your region, visited Brave/Rewards, set your notification frequency, and confirmed that Brave private ads are enabled. If you ever want fewer or more notifications, return to Brave/Rewards and adjust the slider. And if you're not seeing ads even with everything on, it's often due to limited inventory in your region or system-level notification settings, which can affect how notifications appear on your device. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Brave with a setup that respects your attention and your privacy.